Hi everyone, welcome back to Tips with Alam. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Google Alerts and how to use Google Alerts to track new content on the internet. So Google Alerts is a content change detection and notification service by Google, which basically means it will allow you to set up notification for the search term that you want to track or monitor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Google Alerts and how to set up your first Google Alert notification and how to receive notification on your Gmail. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing and also like this video. Let's get started. Right, we are inside our computer screen. First thing you want to do is visit this website google.com/alerts. I will leave a link in the description. Visit this website and sign in. You can sign in using your existing Gmail account or you can create a new one if you want. I will sign in using my existing Gmail account. Let me enter my password. As you can see, this is the Google Alerts interface. You have a search bar and then you have my alerts, and you can see I have set an alert for West Bengal, which means whenever there is a new content around West Bengal, it will come directly to my email. Let me show you how you can set up your email alert. Just go to the search bar and type the search term that you want to track. Let's say COVID-19. Just type in COVID-19 in the search bar, and here you can see all the alert previews. These are the latest articles and news about the COVID-19. You can click on show options and you can change the settings from here. How often means how often do you want to receive these notifications. You can set it as per your requirements, and you can change the sources if you want it from the news, blogs, or video or websites. I have set it as automatic, and then you can change the language if you want. You can change the region. You can set how many posts do you want, how many emails do you want. You can set how many results you want on your email, and you can change the email address from here. After you're done changing the settings, just click on create alert, and this will create a new alert here. And when you go to your email, now we have set an alert for COVID-19, and whenever there is a new article on COVID-19, it will come directly to our inbox. Let's go back to our Gmail and check if there is any email from Google Alerts. We have an email from Google Alerts for West Bengal. When you open this email, you have your search term on the top, and you will get all the results to your email like this. If you want, you can click on see more results and it will take you to the Google Alerts page. And if you want, you can delete this email or you can edit this alert from here. So this is how Google Alerts work. You will get all the results directly to your inbox. That's how it works, and this is how you set up Google Alerts for the terms that you want to track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.